Ouh là là.
Wait. Oh. Wait.
Oh, oh là là.
Oh, ok.
Tu as ça? Ah, plus le bas, ok. Il y a des familles là-bas, mais c'est trop petit.
Là, ça c'est bien, tu peux le sécher. Quand tu vas faire du camping, tu prends ça, tu mets dans l'eau, et tu fais, tu vois.
Ouais.
Ça c'est bien aussi, ça. Et une bête un peu là.
Ça c'est joli, oui, tu as le hot. Boum, boum. J'ai un monstre. Oh là là.
Si jamais tu me dis, Adam, si tu veux aller récupérer les petites quand on parle. On passe là-bas si tu veux.
Non, je vais le mettre là. Ah, c'est bon, hein? Getting a nice bag already. Claude, ça c'est le meilleur.
Ça c'est la famille, ça.
Oh là là. Direct, je peux voir tout. Ici aussi.
Ah ouais, là. Ouais. Pas mal ça, là, ça continue là-bas, regarde.
Ah bah oui. Ça va Claude? Ça va, ouais? Ouais. I'm gonna have to take a new bag in a minute. Je pense que c'est un nouveau sac pour moi, Claude. Il y a beaucoup. Ah, Claude's got a bag as well. C'est un bon sac. Oh là là. Oh là là. Ok.
Je sais même plus quoi en faire.
Oh. So we got that absolute giant bag. Claude's got a bag in his bag. We've got loads around here, but we're gonna head off now. Too many to pick up, ain't it, Claude? C'est trop. Oh la la. That's what you get when you come out, Claude, for the day. Never had a dry day with him. Tu sais quoi ça?
Elvel.
Elvel. C'est un peu bizarre.
Ouais, c'est tout, c'est plein de vide quoi. C'est tout vide, c'est tout creux dedans.
Ouais. Ça sent un peu comme Morel. Pas sente,
ouais. La consistance, ouais.
Ouais.
Ouais, c'est vrai. Le pied même est bizarre, c'est tout fibreux comme ça.
Ah, peut-être je vois, mais je ne sais pas le nom. Mais maintenant, je sais. C'est quoi? Oh! Just on the way back in Claude, it's only gone and spotted a couple of little pierre de mouton. Get the knife that Claude gifted me. Get that bad boy flipped open and we'll get those picked up. Il y a un autre?
Non, j'ai trouvé autre chose.
Non, ouais. Ah, il y a 4 là-bas.
Adam. Condom.
Oh là là. C'est une bonne fête ici, non? Claude is just collecting a load of rubbish. He's not collecting empty condom packets.
Bien un peu lourd, hein?
Normally when it's not foggy you can see all of the mountains across there and up there. So just up here is Bernay, one of the most beautiful areas you'll ever come across. So I'll show you some of the ones that we got. As you can see, when they're smaller they're very kind of tubular, and as they get bigger it's much more of a kind of flower head on the top, but a really easy mushroom to forage that one. And Claude has got, well, we've got loads there, got a load of dry ones, and honestly if you could see Claude's mushroom stash, it is absolutely beyond belief. How many packets? Tu as combien de paquets de champignons, Claude? 100?
Non, j'ai presque loin. J'ai presque loin. Des trompettes de l'année dernière, il me reste 2 paquets, 200 grammes je crois.
Mais tu me donnes le bolet 2022, c'est vrai?
Bolet... Ouais, maintenant c'est fini là. Ça c'est 2023.
Ok,
Il me
ouais.
reste, pareil, il me reste 200 grammes.
Ouais. Well, yeah, Claude dehydrates them, and basically there's no time of the year that you'll arrive where Claude's not got a nice little supply. So yeah, anyways, I'll show you how to dry some of these when I get back in an oven without a dehydrator, and yeah, we'll go from there. So after 2 or 3 hours on a lovely low heat of 30 degrees just in the oven on a lovely bit of parchment paper, we've got a lovely snap crispy load of trumpet there. Oh, absolutely brilliant. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my own mortar and pestle. If you don't fancy a Fred Flintstone approach, you can just use a blender. I'm going to grind this load down, and I'm going to add those to things like sauces. And with the others, what I'll do is I'll put them straight into a sterilised jar and take them camping with me, and I'll rehydrate them. You've seen me rehydrate on my channel before. One time when I was camping with Paul, we rehydrated some bolets from Switzerland in England. So yeah, I'll do exactly the same, and I'll look forward to enjoying a lovely trumpet meal whilst I'm out in the wild. If there is another mushroom that you'd like to see, do feel free to put that in the comments, and if the opportunity arises, yeah, I'll do a little video on those. And this is something that I'm going to try and implement more and more onto the channel, and yeah, just show you a little bit more behind, like preparing, going to camp and survival trips and things like that. So yeah, if there's anything in particular that you want, do feel free to let me know.